Okay, so today we're going to make a house, a building, a 3-story building with a cornice. So we're going to start with our top view. So we're going to make a rectangle that is going to be it's going to be 12 meters by 10 meters. 12 meters by 10 meters. We can go to a view, an isometric view like this one. Now we're going to make a slate for the house, the building, that is going to be 20 centimeters. And we're going to make this a group so it doesn't get glued to anything else. So this is a group right now. Now on top of this, I'm going to make another rectangle, exactly the same, 12 by 10, and I'm going to raise this one three meters and 9 centimeters. Going to raise this one 3 meters and 9 centimeters. Okay, once we have this, I want to have a view of this corner. So I'm going to orbit to that corner, and I'm going to zoom in to that corner as close as I can for now. Okay, I'm going to make here the cornice. In this area I'm going to draw. For this time I'm just going to make a simple cornice. We're not going to make it too elaborate. We could, but we're just going to keep it simple for now. This is the first one we're doing. So I'm going to choose the guideline tool, and from the top I'm going to go down 3 centimeters. Three centimeters again, and a third guideline of 3 centimeters. Now from this edge of the wall, I'm going to go out for 3 centimeters, and from that guideline, or from here, I'm going to go out 6 centimeters. Now we might need this guideline here. You might want to have it. If you do, just go from this guideline, go up to the edge, which is 3 centimeters. If you want to have this extra guideline here, it might help you for the drawing. So I take the line tool and I draw these lines. That's going to be the shape of our cornice. Now if you want to have a more elaborate cornice, you can round these corners, you know, make it different, but for now this should work. So I am going to orbit and zoom out. I need to select all 4 edges of the roof. So I'm going to delete the guidelines. I don't need them. I select my selection tool. I select the first edge. I press and hold shift. Notice how my cursor becomes a plus or a minus. I select the other edge. Be careful here. The third edge and the fourth edge. So I have all 4 edges selected. I'm not going to I'm not going to do anything else right now. You can't click or go anywhere else, so I'm going to orbit, and I want to have a perspective something like this type of perspective. Now this is important, that you're not at a front view of the object that we want to make it go all the way around. So now I can select the Follow Me tool, and I'm going to select this, the face of the object that we drew. It didn't go around. Okay, let's select again the 4 edges. So I'm going to select the 4 edges. Now with this perspective, I'm going to select the 4 edges. So I press Shift. Notice how my cursor becomes a plus and a minus. 2, 3. And I make sure that I have the 4 edges selected. 4 edges selected, I go to my Follow Me tool, and I select this face, and it goes all the way around. So 2 important things that we have to do before we do the Follow Me tool. First, select the Follow Me tool, have it ready, selected. Go to the to the Select tool, select the 4 edges using the Shift key, and then with a point of view, with a perspective where you can see the object kind of in the side, then select the face, and it should go all the way around. Once that is done, we can zoom out. I still have the Follow Me tool. Okay, once we have that, we're going to zoom out. Oops. Okay, choose the correct tool. Orbit, zoom out. And we're going to triple click on this, and it should select the floor that we have plus the cornice. Now, I could make it a group now, but I'm going to choose not to, so we can group it once we have the 3 floors. So I'm going to go to the Move tool. I'm going to press Control in a PC, Option in a Mac, and I'm going to press it once, Control once. So now I can go up, and it's copying. Now I can drop it there, or I can type in the distance, which is going to be 3.09. That's the distance, 3.09 meters. And I want 3 floors, so I'm going to, once I have the distance correct, I'm going to type X2 because I want 2 copies of it. And now it's done. So I have 1, 2, 3 floors, and each one with a cornice on the top. Now I'm going to triple click this building, and I'm going to make it a group. So now it's a group. Now I'm done with the cornice.